to make up the first pair, yeah, you come to the board and there are some cards. You take a card and it's your secret. Yeah, you do not show it to your partner. And you try to find a person with the same card as you have. To find out who is your partner, you say, I have a substance that is describing what you have, because all of these are the substances. Clear? Okay, stand up, come to the board. Now it's time to open the encyclopedias and the pages with these solids, liquids and gases and how things change. And for the first 2 pages, solids, liquids and gases, and what you found out at home, and what were your key words that helped you to understand everything that was there on these 2 pages. You have 2 minutes to discuss. Okay? Go. Now it's time to turn the page, turn it over, and now about how things change, yeah? And you have 2 more minutes to continue your discussion in the same pairs. Go. Okay guys, thank you very much. Yeah, I hope that you shared lots of things with each other, and now it means that now you will rate something with a partner. Close your encyclopedias, please, and I give you a list of 1 for 2, and 1 for 2, 1 for 2, and a pencil if you need it. Yeah, a pencil. And your task is having a minute only to write as many solid substances, solid things as you can. A minute for you to work together and not to shout to each other, yeah, because if you shout, your partners will hear what you say, because at the end you will have to count how many you have on your list. But now we work on solids only. Solids, a minute, go. Okay guys, thank you very much, and count how many do you have in your list. Tasha, how many? 6, not bad. 6. 10. Great. 10? 9. Misha, could you start? Yeah, saying. Guys, if you have the same in your list, yeah, you tick it. Yeah, tick in your list. Because then your task will be to add something that Misha and Lisa do not have in their list. Actually, we have to pass winners, but let them start. Okay, Misha.
Stone, wood, wool, ice, gold, silver, iron, sand, metal, plastic.
Great. Can you add anything to your list?
We have only ground.
Steel.
Steel, yeah, another metal, that is steel. What are the do's and what are the don'ts for you as scientists? You have 3 minutes to discuss what you should do during the experiment and what you shouldn't. Clear? Go.
You should first read about the things you want to mix or to make an experiment with this ingredients, I can say.
Scientists should clean your working place.
My working place.
His working place.
The person should be confident, like what he or she does, and shouldn't drink or eat those things.
Oh, yeah, that's a very, very clever idea, Dashinka. Thank you very much. To make up groups, you need to come to me, and you will be red group, blue group, and orange group. Before you start working in the groups, look at the board and let's think, what is the difference between a mixture and solution? Can you guess what is a mixture and what is a solution? Let me show it to you, and probably then you'll guess. I take some sand and put it into water. what happens?
And
Down.
Goes down. Do you think anything happens if I mix it?
Color.
It changes the color, but tell me
the
please,
sand is
we still can see the sand. Yeah, we can see that water is water, sand is sand. Do you think it's a solution or it's a mixture? No, guys, it's called a mixture.
Sand with
Yeah, because we can see both substances differently. Yes, your water is water and sand is sand. So some coffee I put into water and I mix it for a while, and what happens?
The same color.
Yeah, they are the same color and we can't see where is water and where is coffee. So when we can't see the difference, yeah, we can't recognize coffee anymore as a substance, that is called a solution. Guys, it's time for the experiment. Put everything aside. Yeah, take only the substances, only the things that you need for the experiment. Look at all equipment. A timer. Every group has got a timer. And now, guys, you have 5 minutes to conduct your experiment. Ready? Go. Measure and write. Measure and write. Are the results surprising for you? Yes. Guys, all of you voted for soda, but actually what happened with soda?
5 minutes.
5 minutes was not enough for the substance to dissolve in water. We can't say that it's
5 minutes, 10 seconds.
5 minutes, 10 seconds
Yeah,
for soda.
Yeah.
5 minutes, 10 seconds for soda. And in your group, in your experiment, what was the quickest something to dissolve? Yeah, and coffee. And are you ready with the presentation of your results? Yes. Okay. And that group were first who ended up and even started playing with the substances. Yeah. And come here to the board. Here, give it to me, please. And this might help you in your presentation.
in this experiment, soda was the slowest. Salt and sugar dissolve about 49 seconds and 47 seconds.
And coffee takes 5 seconds to dissolve. Okay, we took 1 plate, a spoon, and 4 substances, and a timer. And we resulted that soda was the slowest because it took 5 minutes and 9 seconds to dissolve.
We took sugar and we take water and mix them, and it's finished with 1 minute.
And take coffee and mix the water.
Any questions to the group? No, we don't have any. Okay, guys, take your seats. Today, I really want to know whether you liked the class or you didn't like. Which of the parts of the class you liked and which of the parts you probably didn't.
I really loved when we started playing the game about the millionaire. It was really funny, and I liked experimenting on those things. It was really exciting because you didn't know what was going to happen.
I like today's class very much. It was very exciting and interesting. The most exciting it was experiment when we were doing, and the results was very surprising. And one more thing is the game. This game. It
who wants to be an engineer,
Yeah.
because you definitely want to be the one, yeah? Okay, Tinka, thank you very much for your feedback. Thank you very much for coming, for bringing great emotions into the class, and have a nice day and weekend, okay? Thanks for coming.